I'm going to start out with a pressing spray. Just spray it directly on a brush. Fenty Beauty. I put this on my back of my hand. That way the product doesn't, more product doesn't go like deep down in the brush. In my Born This Way concealer, I always put concealer on first. I always like to start out with a line here, and then just drag that straight line. MAC color, which is in C8. I'm going to take a spoon and just brush my eyebrows using my TEMPTU. So you're going to shake your foundation, your AIRBRUSH foundation. So they say do 2 or 3 pumps. 2 or 3 pumps don't work.
Gonna go back to what I know. Go back to what the fuck I know, man. This shit getting dumb. Don't you know how to control?
So in our MAC NC46,